Welcome to a recently renovated farmhouse on 5 plus acres of land. Enjoy the freedom of country living with no city taxes and HOA dues. The home features a spacious floor plan, remodeled kitchen, and large dining area. The primary suite has ample space and an additional room for a nursery, office, or entertainment area. The property has undergone a complete renovation, including new siding, HVAC, flooring, paint, windows, and more. This home offers a peaceful country lifestyle free from city taxes and HOA requirements. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.